Hello everyone, myself Narayan Pawar, HOD of Electrical Department at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. Today we are going to study subject Electrical Substation Practices. Subject code is 22633. Department Electrical Engineering, Semester 6. Chapter number 3rd. The name of chapter is that 11 kV substation. The content of this chapter is that first, need of pole mounted and plinth mounted substation. Then second content, 11 kV by 440 volt substation. Equipment and accessories, function and rating of 3-phase distribution transformer, lightning arrestor, meter current transformer, metering voltage transformer, air brake switch, dropout fuse, insulator and distribution box. Next, draw the layout and single line diagram of pole mounted substation. Next, insulation resistance measurement. The next contain earthing equipments and earthing systems. Next contain earth resistance measurement and methods of improving earth resistance. This is the content of 11 kV substation, the chapter number 3rd. Today we have to study floor mounted outdoor substation. This is the diagram representation for floor mounted outdoor substation. Here 11 kV feeder line as the incoming. This 11 kV line directly feed to the step down transformer. That step down transformer convert 11 kV into 440 volt or 230 volt with the help of step down transformer. That step down voltage such as 230 or 440 volt with 3-phase 4-wire line directly connected to the consumer with the help of floor mounted outdoor substation. The main equipments of this substation as step down transformer, that is the main equipment or main component of floor mounted outdoor substation. That step down transformer is erected on the concrete flat surface as shown in this diagram. Then on that surface the transformer such as step down transformer are mounted and distance between floor to the transformer is near about 1 meter. The incoming 11 kV feeder line and outgoing 440 volt or 230 volt with 3-phase 4-wire line are connected to the transformer via bushing. That bushing are connected to incoming and outgoing points. The transformer is oil immersed transformer having for the cooling tubes. The incoming line may be underground cable, but outgoing line is overhead line with the strain insulator. As shown in that diagram, that strain insulator are also connected. The lightning arrestor, switching device, guard wires and tanger plates are connected in the point. A fence is provided around the substation with locking gate and no direct access is permissible with the floor mounted outdoor substation. Next, pole mounted substation. Pole mounted substation means the transformer are mounted on the pole. Here two poles are connected in between the transformer are connected. So first we have to see the single line diagram. Single line diagram shows 11 kV overhead line. On that 11 kV line, the near to that 11 kV line, lightning arrestor are the connected. The function of lightning arrestor diverts high voltage towards the earth and provides the protection to the substation. The one terminal of lightning arrestor are connected to the 11 kV overhead line and another terminal are connected to the earth. And the main function of lightning arrestor diverts high voltage towards the earth, or direct lightning stroke diverts towards the earth with the help of lightning arrestor. Dropout fuse is connected here. The fuse is the device which provides the protection from short circuit and overload condition. During that condition, fuse may be the melt out and disconnect the supply and provide the protection to the healthy equipments which are connected in that substation. Isolating switch is also connected. Isolating switch is the device which isolate or connected. Isolate means disconnect the parts of the power systems, and if it is having the close, then it carry the continuity of supply. If it have the open, then it disconnect the supply. The main function of the isolating switch is that if in closed position, it carry the continuity of the supply. In the contact are the open, then it discontinue the continuity of the supply. Next, step down transformer. Step down transformer is the device which step down 11 kV into 440 volt. Means step down voltage level are step down with the help of the step down transformer. Here 11 kV are convert into 440 volt or 230 volt with the help of step down transformer. That step down voltage directly feed to the lightning terminal as well as oil circuit breaker. Then this 440 volt is directly connected to the consumer with the 3-phase 4-wire systems, and then that type of the line are used for industrial purpose, domestic application and commercial application. This is the single line diagram representation for pole mounted substation. Next we have to see the image of that. Image contains lightning arrestor, strain insulator, cross arm, fuse unit. Here also the 11 kV line as the incoming line. That incoming line are directly fed to the step down transformer. Then that step down transformer convert 11 kV into 440 volt, that is the step down voltage, or convert into the 400 volt with the help of step down transformer. It also have use for protection of the device as well as the supply from high voltage to the low voltage with the help of the transformer. That transformer device which convert high voltage as 11 kV convert into the 400 volt or 230 volt with the help of step down transformer. Next, indoor substation. This is the diagram representation for the indoor substation. It consists as the lightning arrestor. Here the 11 kV line directly feed to the first lightning arrestor. Near to that lightning arrestor, transformer is device is the connected. So the one terminal of lightning arrestor are connected to the overhead line and another terminal are directly connected to the switch and that source. As the terminal are connected to the oil circuit breaker is there, then 11 kV are directly converted into the 110 volt with the help of the step down transformer. That voltage at the step down voltage is directly fed to the another device. Then through that feeder it directly connected to the different source. As the low voltage are connected to the feeders, then it divide into the distribution box, then different types of the lightning arrestor is the connected here on that main distribution switch. Here the fuse are connected for the protective purpose. It provides the protection from overload and short circuit condition. That is the main function of fuse unit. As it disconnect the supply in case of the overload or short circuit condition. We have to see the again diagram representation of the device. This is the pole mounted substation and this one is the floor mounted substation. Here we have to observe that the transformer, here the transformer is having the some distance from the ground, okay, and in between that the operating handle for the isolator is the connected. Okay, here is the some distance is maintained from ground level to the up to certain level, then that's up to certain level transformer are the connected. But in floor mounted, the transformer is directly connected on the floor. The floor are made with the concrete surface. On that surface, transformer are connected. Then it is used for the protection of the power systems. Thank you.